Another biomacromolecule which has a very huge molecular size and molecular weight is referred to as a nucleic acid. So nucleic acids are actually complex organic compounds and they're made up of monomer units which are called nucleotides. We call them as polynucleotides because basically a nucleic acid is a polymer. And this polymer is made up of individual units which are called monomers. And the monomers in case of nucleic acids are called the nucleotides. So many nucleotides make up a nucleic acid. So nucleic acids are basically many nucleotides bonded together to form a polynucleotide or a polymer. Basically, we can classify nucleic acid into two types, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. And I just told you that each nucleic acid is made up of a monomer unit. The monomer unit of a nucleic acid is referred to as a nucleotide, and a nucleotide is composed of sugar, phosphate, nitrogen base. So there are three major portions, three major constituents of a nucleotide: a sugar, a phosphate, and a nitrogen base. So if you consider a nucleotide, it will have a pentose sugar. See a pentagonal ring I'm showing you. It has 5 carbon atoms. The corners represent carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, and the fifth carbon is above the plane. The fifth carbon is attached to a phosphate group and the first carbon is attached to a nitrogen base. So here we see all the three constituents of a nucleotide. This is how a monomer unit of a nucleic acid looks like. So there is a sugar, and you know, because the sugar has 5 carbon atoms, we call this sugar as pentose sugar. A pentose sugar is a sugar which has 5 carbon atoms. Okay, the first carbon atom is connected to, so this is the first component, sugar, then we have nitrogen base, and then we have phosphate. So all the three together make up a monomer unit of a nucleic acid that is referred to as a nucleotide. Many such nucleotides make up nucleic acids. Therefore we also refer to nucleic acids as polynucleotides. What are the different nitrogen bases? The different nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil, and thymine. Adenine and guanine are two ringed compounds. They have two rings in them. They are called heterocyclic rings. So we call them as purines. We call them as purines. Cytosine, uracil, and thymine have a single ring. They just have one ring in them, and we call them as pyrimidines. And uracil is found only in RNA. You don't find it in DNA. And thymine is found only in DNA. You don't find it in RNA. Others are all common to RNA and DNA. What is a nucleoside? You take a nucleotide. I told you that a nucleotide has sugar, phosphate, and nitrogen base. You take a nucleotide, you remove the phosphate. Nucleotide minus phosphate, you get a molecule that is called nucleoside. So nucleoside basically has only two components in it. It has a sugar plus nitrogen base because you have removed the phosphate. Nucleotide minus phosphate is a nucleoside. See some of the examples for nucleoside. This is a nucleoside that has adenine in it, plus it has ribose sugar. See, one of the basic differences between RNA and DNA is the RNA nucleotides have a sugar that is called ribose sugar, whereas the DNA nucleotides have a sugar called deoxyribose sugar. Both of them are pentose sugar only, like I showed you hexagonal, pentagonal ring structures. Both of them are pentose sugars, but they have, ribose has an oxygen, deoxyribose is short of one oxygen. So the sugar in RNA is called ribose and the sugar in DNA is called deoxyribose. So adenosine is a nucleoside. Adenosine is a nucleoside which has adenine and ribose. Similarly, this one has guanine and ribose. This one has thymine and deoxyribose, because thymine is not found in RNA. So I should not say thymine and ribose. I should say thymine and deoxyribose. Uracil and ribose. Uracil cannot be along with deoxyribose because uracil doesn't occur in DNA. Cytosine and ribose or deoxyribose. So basically they are just sugars and nitrogen base. That's why they are called nucleoside. And how do you know that there is a phosphate? If a phosphate is there, you will call it as a nucleotide and you will see an acid written in the name. Whenever you see acid in the nomenclature, that means it's a molecule that has phosphate. And the moment you think that there is a phosphate, it cannot be a nucleoside, it has to be a nucleotide. Okay, and like I told you, two different nucleic acids are DNA and RNA.